Guys, it's to my channel. I want to talk to you guys about what's going to happen. To be making an Instagram for my channel. Yay! That's like very exciting, right? No, it's not that exciting, but I decided to make an Instagram. Well, I am going to. I will probably put the link in the description down below so you guys can check it out. So, I haven't got to that yet. Oh, I died. But really make Instagram because just to thank you guys actually for just all the support. So I just decided it's time to make an Instagram for my channel, and I'm nervous. I'm happy. I don't know what to make of it. I don't know. What? But I'm excited. I'm happy. I want to pronounce that. I'm very excited. I'm so excited. Whatever you call it. I don't know. Don't kill my life. Fudge cakes. But I'm just so excited just to make that Instagram. So, yeah. I'm so happy. Why am I this happy? You guys. But yeah. This is all I wanted to do, play speedrun in Roblox and just talk to you guys, basically, and just tell you. I don't know. I just wanted to tell you that because I need to go make the Instagram this video, and the recorder has been stopping lately. Terrible. I have some trouble with it, and sometimes it cuts out my voice. Just like, you're really good. But, yeah, I'm excited for it. Oh, man. I need to make it, like, and that's basically it. Like, I don't know. I have a birthday party today, so I'm gonna be like busy too. Like yesterday was a busy day too, so I didn't get to film because I had plans. Sunday about was it Sunday? No, it wasn't Sunday. It was Friday. I was post on Friday. There was changes that I didn't know. Well, but I had a sleepover. I needed to babysit her, and so yeah, I didn't want to make them my cousin because I don't know. She videos before, yeah. I'm meaning to post this one video, but I'm not sure about it. Yeah, I'm sure about it because it's like it's gonna beep out the words. But I'm just gonna have to keep on beeping out the words. Know about it. I don't know. How long have I this level? I usually get through this level pretty. Girl, let me please. I don't see what I'm. I died again. Oh, I'm not dying. Work. I need to die. Come on, die. Let me reset my character. Rest in peace. Are you okay? Are you? Okay, yes, I know. Is this guy's okay though? Wait. You almost made me jump. Okay. Boo. We see you. Okay. This is gonna take a lot of time. I usually get past this level. Why can't I get past it? Please, the level. Please be. I jumped. I swear, guys, I jumped. I hit that star. It didn't let me jump. See? See? Oh, watch, 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 watch. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, she fell. Are you? No, you're not. It's okay. Oh, now you let me. Now. No. If I messed up, I'm gonna be mad. I will be furious. Oh, this guy. He's dead. Are you okay? Yeah, he is. Oh, it's so laggy. It's fine. Wee, wee, wee. Got the lag. The lag. So, she's not okay. I said my microphone stopped. Oh my god, it did. Oh, I don't know if my microphone stopped. Recording thing. It gets bad. Oh, it's like your recording has stopped. Your microphone is not working, and I'm laggy. So that is nice. Live stream. It just depends on the day. So, yep, that's it. Yep, because I have it's very nice, sir. I always say fudge cakes. Just to let you know. Just to let you know. Yep. And it's Sunday because Sunday is on. I don't really like Sundays because that's the last day of it. Like me. How exciting is that? Not that. Why do I keep on dying? See, this girl just. I jumped. Oh, there's my weave. They took my weave too. Okay, I got my weave back. No problem. You know, we back in business. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Please do not lag. I will be mad. Please don't be laggy. Yay! It's not laggy. Okay. And I died. This is it. The rainbow. Okay. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. And yeah. Bye.